Hello everyone. It's 7:50 here, and actually I just woke up, and I saw these birds in my friend's house, and it clicked me, so I decided to put it on my blog. So here they are. They are so beautiful, and this uh, green color is the male, and the white one is the female. See, look guys, how they love each other. And this bird's called lovebirds. So, look, uh, they always keep on kissing each other. And see. Kiss each other. Wow, see how they behave. They're so happy today because I am here, and they know that they have a visitor. Ah! Look, I want to show you guys how they kiss each other. I hope they will kiss. Oh, come on. Hello. 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 Kiss na. Hello. Hello. You see? They're so beautiful, guys. And actually, Miss Lovely is here. Actually, she owned this bird, and she told me a while ago that maybe after a month, they will lay eggs. So I'm also excited to see how it is. Maybe the birds also, the babies also will have different colors. Yeah, as what they have said to me. So yeah. Hello. Hello. See, look, beautiful. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Hi. Wow, beautiful. Wow. Now they are so quiet, and yeah. Oh, hello. Wow. Beautiful. Hello. Hello. Say hello to my viewers, to our viewers. Hello. Wow, see. Have you seen it, guys? They kiss each other. Hello. Wow, see. One more kiss. One more kiss, please. One more kiss. One more kiss. And what kind of food they are? See the feed this food. I don't know what's the name of these because I didn't see the packet of this, and I just saw it here. This food here. Yeah. Yeah, this is it. So let's back to these two birds here. So they are quiet now, and actually they are seldom they are very noisy, most especially if we both talking each other and they're also joining us. So yeah. Hello. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so I think let's stop here, guys, and hope you will you'll be happy watching these videos of mine. Okay, bye bye, and see you on my next videos. Stay safe, everyone. Bye. Hello, lovebirds. Good morning. Wow, good morning, lovebirds. Good morning. How are you guys doing? Good morning. Beautiful. Can I see the kiss? Kiss, please. Kiss each other.